To create an invoice for a customer, go in your Accounting Left menu and under Customer Tasks, click Create Invoice. From here, you can select the existing customers that you have added, or if you need to add a new customer right here on the fly, you can do that as well. The invoice number will automatically show the next available number since the last invoice you created. The invoice date will be today's date, but you can change this. You can enter a reference number if needed. You can set payment terms globally for everyone, or you can set individual payment terms for each customer. If you use departments, you can select a department. And if you use payment terms, the due date will automatically calculate based on the terms you've selected. If you don't use payment terms, the due date will default to today, and you can change that as you need. Next, you'll select your products and services that you want to invoice for. I already have a list of products and services here, so I'm going to choose black tea and enter my quantity. My price is already determined because I set up my product, and same with the income account that I have chosen. I can change all of this right here if I need to. This is subject to sales tax, so that's already checked. If needed, I can add a discount, so I can enter a discount description and choose whether I want to give a percentage discount or a dollar amount discount, and select the income account to record that to, and enter an optional description. If I do need to add more than one product, I can just click Add Line Item and repeat the process. If you have more than one sales tax rate, you can select that here. If you want to add a comment for the invoice to appear to the customer, you can enter a comment here. If you have accounting premium and you have a set note that you want to include on all of your invoices, you can set a default note on your invoice template, or you can customize this on each invoice or leave it blank. And if you have accounting premium, you can also attach files to the invoice, so when you email the invoice, those attachments will also be included. When you're finished entering all of your information, click Create Invoice. You will now see all of the actions you can take with this invoice.